tayo. Social media use. Social media can have its pros and cons. It can be a weapon, or it can also be at your advantage. Love life. Because well on each other's lives. So, keep your,
Bakit katawa?
Dan?
This year now, we're going to celebrate Montauk with family and close friends, very, very intimate. Para nakalimutan mo kasi ang dami nangyayari masyado para intindihin ko pa yun. So, I'm just so thankful na nasubukan natin kung nato na 2020 at birthday
Sing. Sing, sing.